of several U.S. states, packing heavy snow and strong winds. Federal offices and schools have been forced to shut down. Travel has become dangerous. Power shortage are looming. Hundreds of motorists were stranded in freezing temperatures on Interstate 95 highway in Virginia, a main north-south highway along the East Coast. Drivers were stuck in the cars in freezing weather for 24 hours. Heavy snow accumulated on roadways and power lines, causing treacherous travel conditions. Aerial footage showed seemingly endless lines of cars and trucks.
It was kind of like losing hope. Everybody just...
Pictures capture the scale of what is happening in America. Now you can see that's United States President emerging from Air Force One. All around him there is heavy snowfall, strong winds. Washington and parts of Virginia have been covered in 9 inches of snow. Even the United States President could not escape the great frost. Snowstorms across the country even led to the shutting down of COVID-19 testing sites. This is thousands of Americans struggle to get tests. Meanwhile, flights across the country were hit by bad weather. This comes as flights have already been cancelled across the U.S. due to staff shortage caused by the Omicron variant.